In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language of the Threads application. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up the Threads application. Now, from the application homepage, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the menu icon at the top right corner, and then you can access the language menu by tapping on it. Now, from the languages menu, you can simply use the search box to search for your desired language. Now, since not all languages are supported with Threads application right now, you can look at all of the languages that are currently supported. Simply tap on the language that you desire on the application, and this will immediately make the desired changes. You can go back into the language menu and select any language you prefer at any time. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your language on the Threads application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.